Okay, this one's for all the music lovers. A lot of people keep looking to buy premium quality TWS at an affordable price, right? You guys came to the right video. We have a brand new TWS in the house, and this one is from Sennheiser. Anyways, the model is called as CX True Wireless and come in this sort of box packaging. And this one actually packs some pretty interesting features for the price point. So basically, we're gonna unbox and check out this product in this video. So the CX True Wireless features Sennheiser's signature sound. It's got like 7 drivers on board, supports multiple audio codecs. You got Qualcomm aptX support as well. It's IPX4 splash resistant. Touch controls are there. Sennheiser Smart Control app support is there and offer around 27 hours of battery life. So those were basically the main specs and features. And as soon as you unbox it, we've got some paperwork at the top. Looks like Sennheiser's artwork and stuff. And at the backside, it says, "Thank you for choosing Sennheiser." So basically, guys, just a thank you note. Keeping that aside, there you go, guys, our brand new TWS from Sennheiser, the CX truly wireless earbuds. By the way, the product is available in two different colors, black and white. We have the standard black color edition. And boy, look at that. Quite compact and actually lightweight in the hand. We'll come back to that in a moment. And looks like we've got an accessory box over here with a paperwork at the top. It's a quick start guide. Keeping that aside, in the package, let me just open it and show you what do we have. Some more paperwork. Just make sure to read this if you've got time. Along with that, you've got a couple of ear tips and lastly a USB Type-C cable for charging. And that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look and talk about the design and build quality of the case. First of all, very lightweight, compact portable case. You've got the Sennheiser branding and build quality and finishing looks good. Entire matte black finishing, guys, with a streak of glossy black at the center. You've got a tiny status LED indicator on the front side and that is it. Very minimalistic. At the back side, you got Type-C port for charging and on the bottom, you got some details about the products. That is it. So let me just quickly open up the case and show you the TWS. There you go, our brand new CX truly wireless earbuds inside the case. Let me just take them out and show you. Okay, oh boy, this is actually quite lightweight in the hand. I was not expecting that. Anyways, guys, this is how our brand new buds look like. And very clean design, same similar design, guys, matte black finishing with a streak of glossy line at the center. You've got the Sennheiser branding at the top and the top area is actually complete capacitive touch area. Offers you a couple of functions which we'll talk about at a later part. Build quality very good, body entirely made of polycarbonate, both the case and earbuds. And on the bottom you've got the charging contacts and I can see some microphones as well. We also got a status LED indicator on the earbud as well. Quality of the ear tips also looks pretty nice, durable and also soft. And that is pretty much it, guys, our first look at these brand new TWS. So what I'll do is I'll basically set them up, use them for some time, and then I'll get back and share my experience and feedback on this product. Alright guys, 2 weeks of usage and I'm back to continue the video. Now there are a lot of important points I'll be talking about this product, so make sure to watch this video till the end because it can be quite crucial in case if you're planning to buy these TWS. First of all, let me tell you about the comfort. So Sennheiser CX truly wireless earbuds are like super lightweight and have an ergonomic design, guys. Each of these earbuds weigh only around 6 grams and feel very comfortable when you wear them even on longer periods of usage. Noise isolation was also good and the whole fit, comfort, everything was very nice. I was quite satisfied with that. And also remember, I've told you these are IPX4 rated, splash resistant, so you can even use them for your light workouts or maybe like sport activities. Nothing to worry about. But I do have to mention one thing. You can't use them for like intense workout activities or maybe like where there's a lot of action involved, because I felt the grip on these earbuds was not that great, and if you're doing especially a lot of movements or exercises, right, they might tend to fall off. So this is something you might have to keep in your mind. Moving on, let's talk about the audio quality, guys. This is a main part. Sennheiser CX Truly Wireless featured the 7 German-made drivers, and audio quality on this TWS was very good for this price point. It does come with Sennheiser's signature sound, but I was a bit surprised, because this is not what I actually expected. Initially, I was thinking Sennheiser product, matlab it might have like a flat EQ profile tuned for like audio files, but this was completely different. So on this particular model, Sennheiser actually targeted the general consumers. People who love lower end and especially bass. Brand gave a bit more emphasis on the lower ends and the mid frequencies, guys. So mids felt crisp and clear, very good vocals. You can easily understand all sorts of dialogues, no matter what sort of content or music you're listening. And treble quality was also nice. Treble felt smooth, guys. And coming to the bass, this was the main highlight on this TWS, guys. It was producing excellent low frequency response. It had that nice rumble and kick in the bass, and people who especially love lower end frequencies, right, you guys will absolutely enjoy music on this TWS. That is what I can say. See, on the overall, guys, I was quite happy with the results. It had that nice warm mellow signature sound, and you'll totally love the music that you're listening on this TWS. And apart from that, distortion was also like very minimum, even up to 95% volume level, and audio output was also loud and satisfactory. Talking about the codec support, along with your regular AAC and SBC, it does support Qualcomm's aptX, so high quality streaming is also available. Okay, moving on, let me tell you about the battery life. Battery life on this TWS was pretty good, but I was actually expecting a bit more from this thing. So per charge na, each of these earbuds was offering around 7.5 to 8 hours of music playback at 70% volume level. But not to worry, the case also supports charging your earbuds almost 2 times extra. So totally you can expect around like 24 to 25 hours of music playtime on a single charge. Now some people might ask, like, do these TWS have app support? Yes, Sennheiser offers an app. It's called as the Sennheiser Smart Control app, available on both Play Store and Apple App Store. And using this app, you can do a lot of things. You can completely customize the touch controls on it, and assign your own functions, how you want to interact with it. Apart from that, you've got a voice assistant support, and yes, you can also use the app to control the complete EQ on this TWS. There's a special bass boost mode available, guys, and a couple of different EQ profiles along with custom EQ support, and you can completely tune the sound signature on this TWS as per your taste. So that's it, our video on Sennheiser CX truly wireless earbuds. Love the design, comfort, and also the audio quality for the price point. The only thing I felt was, since they're slightly on the expensive side, you could have expected maybe like wireless charging support, and lastly I felt microphone quality could have been slightly better. It was fine, but sometimes the audio felt a bit muffled on the other side. But apart from that, rest everything else was good. These TWS cost around 8,990 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.